All right, Tim, I'll come with you. What do we have in front of me, guys?
Push to your left, Angus. See it?
No. Can I make it to that next barricade?
Angus, watch Chris. He's on the left. Straight across from you, behind that tall barricade.
Oh, all right, I see him. Can I make it to that next barricade? Do we have a guy over here in this bush?
We have giggles over there.
Giggs! Giggs!
I'm right here behind you, Angus. Angus, you want me to go back there?
Yeah, come on up here with me. See anybody? Oh,
Yeah, straight.
Where at?
Straight ahead to the big tree.
Is there anybody else back here?
All I saw was Joe, and then Mike and his friend, I think. Joe and then two other guys.
I can't quite keep my head up here with Chris. You want me to move ahead or you? Oh, I knew I should have put the lid on those BBs. There they all go. Frig. That sucks. Giggs, there's a bush in front of me, that a whole patch of bushes. There's two hiding in there. They got me a little held down. Okay.
Maybe closer to 11.
Come on. There's one at my 12 and one at my 10. Masters in those bushes. Come on, Giggs, follow me. Hey, Gigs, Tim. Oh. Gigs. Oh, you just found out I'm here, huh? Well, I'm here. And if I could see you, I'd shoot back. The guy in front of me's down? Hit? All right, thank you.
The guy in the blue shirt, Angus?
Yeah. Is that somebody in game or just shooting their gun? I'm going to go try and save our team, all right? Give me some cover, Gigs. All right? I'm going for it. Oh, never mind.
Angus.
What? You know, personally I don't think we're going to get anything done just hiding back here. So, ooh, somebody's over there. Somebody very close.
Is that our team?
No, that's them. Hut!